Hey there, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I do apologize for the shaking. I am holding this camera. My other camera is temporarily out of service, so I have to use this action camera. So hopefully it works. So anyhow, if you follow me on my Instagram stories, I talked about a 2009 Pontiac G3. Well, here it is in all its glory. So I actually plugged my scanner into it. I wanted to see what was actually going on, and it is saying that the camshaft positioning sensor is bad, and I do know the water pump is shot also, which I will take you down here and show you. See if I can get the light where it'll stay. So water pump is going to be this belt right here, and well, both these belts actually. And I was looking these parts up through AutoZone, and they are bloody expensive. I looked them up on Amazon. They're still expensive, but not as bad. But it has something to do with the timing belt. So what I'm going to do today is I am actually going to take all this apart, and that way I can see firsthand what is going on in there. So I figure I'll just do a little bit of shots here and there to show you guys what's going on, and then the updated video will come next week when I get the parts in. So hang tight and we'll be right back. Alright, a lot's changed since you last looked here. I took the breather out, took the engine mount out, and I'm getting ready to pull this cover out. I want to see if the timing is off any. That's the only reason why I did all this here, or why I'm doing this here. But the water pump sits right down there, and I got the engine supported by a jack as well as my chain hoist. So yeah, interesting. And I'm actually using a strap and a shackle. I'm using a ratchet strap, but I got doubled up so that way it'd be a little bit stronger. So these straps are designed to hold like 500 pounds or something like that, and it's really not holding a whole lot of weight because, like I said, it's got a jack underneath it too. So, but yeah, so I'm going to pull this timing belt cover and take a look at that and see what is going on in there. So I will cut back in here in just a little bit. Well, I've jumped ahead quite a bit here. I actually removed the power steering pump. It sits right here. There is no tension on that switch. That means that that's actually a stretch belt. I don't know if you all ever heard of these, but that's what they're called. It says micro V, but it's actually a stretch belt. You pretty much force it on, and it supposedly has a one-time use then. So, but I did it the hard way, and I took the power steering pump off, which it's sitting right here. But the water pump, it's got star-shaped bolts in it, so I have the like screwdriver handle ones, you know, but I don't have the socket ones, so I'm gonna have to go and buy the socket ones to take the pulley off. And then looks like I'm gonna have to buy a few different socket sets because this is special. It's got like the option of a star-shaped head on there, so so that's where I stand at this moment. Still haven't located the camshaft positioning sensor. I think this is it, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure it is. You can comment down below if you want. Looks like it's got two. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure out which one it is, because it says it's I think it said bank 1. So I will have to figure out which one is bank 1. So but anyhow, yeah, Well, so this is going to be video 1 of this part here. There is another video I'll link at the end where I replace the thermostat housing for this. Yeah, this will be the first video of this part of this. It looks like it's going to be a 2 or possibly 3-part deal on this current video. So, but yeah, check out my merch link. It'll be down below. Also hit that like button. Put that way back there. Comment, subscribe. Help me hit that 1,000 mark. I am currently at 354 subscribers. And if you did not know, I will be doing a giveaway on the 1,000 mark. So if you guys like Visa debit gift cards or AutoZone gift cards, stuff like that, check that out. I will be giving away stuff like that. So that's if I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I really hope will happen real soon. So, but yeah, check out my merch link. I got Dirty Garage Mods, Pontiac shirts, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, a satchel of some kind, coffee mugs. The coffee mugs are really cool. I will be getting some of those here real soon. So, but yeah, check out my channel. So, anyhow, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.